gorngv.
Lesson number 14. English to you, Mien.
If you recall, in lesson number 13, you learned the word because. 为主. Because 为主. You needed a bridge
From lesson 12 to lesson 14.
up to lesson 12. You would ask someone if they spoke Mien, expressed how happy you were to find out that they did, and then you said, that means you and I can talk. Because 为主. Lesson number 14. Here it is, in English first.
I speak Mien a little bit. In Mien it goes like this.
也还讲缅话的吧 I speak Mien a little bit. 也还讲缅话的吧 So now you got it? From 12 to 14 it goes like this. That means you and I can talk, because I speak Mien a little bit. 为奈也草莓还讲话为主也还讲缅话的吧